where the MLC report of Maliwal has been accessed. Now the medical legal case report has been accessed of Swati Maliwal, where the MLC suggests that she has an injury under her eyes and she has injuries on her legs. So these are the latest inputs that we are tracking at this point of time. Now, just minutes after the release of the video by Aam Aadmi Party, the medical legal certificate report has now been made public, adding another layer to the unfolding story. Now, Anshul joins us on the broadcast. Anshul, take us through all the details of this MLC report that has been accessed.
So yes, the MLC report has been accessed out here on CNN News 18, and it clearly states the manner in which these videos were continuously being released from the Aam Aadmi Party, and in which they were claiming that nothing had happened to Swati Maliwal. Now the MLC report has come to the fore, and this entire MLC report actually suggests that there are bruises over her proximal left leg dorsal aspect of approx size 3 into 2 centimeters, and bruises over her right cheek below right eye approx size 2 into 2 centimeter, which means that Swati Maliwal, who had claimed in that complaint that she was slapped at least 7 to 8 times by Bibhav Kumar, that is somewhere or the other proving to be very true over here. So definitely this MLC report that we have accessed out here at CNN News 18, in fact the photos of Swati Maliwal has also been clicked for this MLC, and her injuries can very easily be seen. Definitely it again demolishes the arguments that have come to the fore from the Aam Aadmi Party that it was just a drama and nothing untoward had happened with Swati Maliwal, because in this MLC report it clearly states that she had injuries under her eyes, she had injuries on her leg, as she claimed that she was kicked by Bibhav Kumar several times as well. So definitely the version of Swati Maliwal seems to be standing up for her rather than the edited videos that we are seeing being released by the Aam Aadmi Party. Because remember, in that FIR as well, Swati Maliwal has said that once she walked out of the CM residence with the security staff, she sat there for some time. But if you look at the video that has been released by the Aam Aadmi Party, the video gets cut abruptly even before Swati Maliwal could have left from this entire spot. So one side of the story is definitely been shown by the Aam Aadmi Party, whereas the entire investigation is being conducted by the Delhi police, and that is the reason why the Delhi police is still not come on record and given any statement as of now, because the investigation is underway. It remains to be seen what will eventually come out in this investigation. But yes, the political to and fro has started, and there is a clear battle line that has been drawn between Aam Aadmi Party and Swati Maliwal.
Right, Anshul, I'll request you to stay with us on the broadcast, as Akash is also joining us on the broadcast. Akash, the medical legal certificate report is out. How will this impact the new developments in the entire investigation process?
So MLC was done day before yesterday, and as Anshul has been pointing out that it is confirming some injuries. You know, it will definitely be helping the investigating officer, because this is the technical aspect of the complaint. And you know, Swati Maliwal has made some serious allegations on Bibhav Kumar, and MLC is the technical confirmation of those allegations. Now the investigating officer will be considering this MLC report as one technical evidence, and you know, it will be somewhere, you know, making Swati Maliwal's case strong. However, this is not the only aspect of the story, because in fact in yesterday, you know, Bibhav Kumar has mentioned several sort of things in his complaint, and now whether or not police will be you know, registering another FIR, or whether or not they will be considering that complaint in the same case, it will be a matter of time, and we'll get to know. Anshul will definitely be reporting on this, as Anshul has been reporting on the technical aspect of this story and also the investigation of the particular case. But important to mention that Aam Aadmi Party has released the second part, I should say, of a series of videos that are expected, you know, out of Aam Aadmi Party. It has been categorically mentioned, in fact, yesterday by several Aam Aadmi Party leaders, that how they are alleging that Swati Maliwal is acting on you know, on the instructions of BJP, and you know, without appointment, she went to CM house just because she wanted to create this sort of scene. But then serious allegations, MLC statement before the magistrate on one hand, Aam Aadmi Party's version, Bibhav Kumar's complaint, and also the kind of videos that have been propagated by Aam Aadmi Party on the other. Anshul was pointing out that how this video, as per his sources, seems edited. And in fact, it can be clearly seen in the video that how it is edited. An arrow mark can be seen in the video. We cannot confirm the authenticity of the video, but definitely Aam Aadmi Party is somewhere trying to draw a comparison between what we saw, in fact, the condition of Swati Maliwal yesterday and condition of Swati Maliwal on 13th of May. We are no one, we are no judges, and our task is to report what has been put out in the public domain. Investigation will lead us to the facts in the entire episode. But starting from 13th May, we are seeing a lot of allegations from Swati Maliwal, a lot of politics, and now the other side of the story as well. It will be interesting to see as to how police will investigate the matter and what will come out after the investigation.
Right, Akash. Indeed, it is getting murkier day by day for the investigation authorities also on the ground. But let me cut across to Anshul. Anshul, help us understand more about the second video that has been released by Aam Aadmi Party that claims and shows that Swati Maliwal was actually misbehaving and is somewhat seen aggressive in the video.
Well, definitely, because at a point when, in fact, the alleged fight happened, definitely Swati Maliwal was aggressive. That was seen in the first video as well. And in this video as well, while she was being taken out or probably being dragged out of the residence of the Chief Minister, once she comes out, she takes her hand away from the lady police officer who was deployed on duty over here. So definitely, the Aam Aadmi Party is making sure that they can sling as much mud on Swati Maliwal as possible to give out this message that whatever Swati Maliwal has to say is absolutely wrong and false. But in the same breath, if you realize that Bibhav Kumar has still not come in contact with the police physically, if at all he has not done anything, why is Bibhav Kumar still incognito? Why has Bibhav Kumar still not tried to contact the police? Although he has sent out an email to the Delhi police in which he has narrated his side of the story, claiming that Swati Maliwal initially barged into the residence of the Chief Minister, started hurling abuses, and in fact also went ahead and raised her hands on Bibhav Kumar as well. So these are the allegations that have been put forth from the side of Bibhav Kumar. But yes, it is very, very important for the Delhi police now to actually make sure that Bibhav Kumar is taken into custody and his statements are recorded, because that is something that is going to help in the investigation.
Right, Anshu. Sorry to interrupt you in between, but joining us on the broadcast is Harish Khurana of the BJP. A very good morning, Mr. Khurana. Thank you so much for speaking to CNN News 18. Well, Mr. Khurana, we just heard BJP chief JP Nadda also questioning the credibility of Aam Aadmi Party with another video that is being released by Aam Aadmi Party against Swati Maliwal. What is the stance of your party at this point of time?
See, my only concern is, what about Sanjay Singh press conference? Why Arvind Kejriwal or any other Aam Aadmi Party is not talking about the Sanjay Singh clearly indicating that the physical assault has happened in the house of Arvind Kejriwal? This is not a BJP man. Sanjay Singh was a senior leader of Aam Aadmi Party. Clearly came in the media and clearly said about Swati Maliwal's physical assault. Now what else do you require? What proof do you require? But he himself is saying something has happened. Why are you not terminating him or taking an action against Bibhav Kumar? What all proof do you want? In spite of taking an action, you are maligning the image of Swati Maliwal. What does it show? That they don't have a respect for a woman. Point is, you have physically assaulted a lady in the house of Chief Minister, and the Chief Minister's house is not secure for a woman who is a member of Parliament. If that house is not secure, what about the general public? Easily imagine. We only BJP demand immediate action against Bibhav Kumar, and Arvind Kejriwal should come in front and apologize to him in front of whole Delhi.
Indeed, Mr. Khurana, I agree to the fact that if certain set of allegations are proved, then there should be apologies coming in from both the ends. But coming to the allegations that you've also leveled against Aam Aadmi Party, Delhi's Minister Atishi has clarified that Sanjay Singh's statement were based on the initial reports or the fact-checking of the situation. But since then, a lot has spiraled out, and Aam Aadmi Party has pushed out 2 videos claiming the fact that Swati Maliwal has actually misbehaved with people on the ground.
I'm not going what has happened or what has not happened. I'm only saying about Sanjay Singh clearly coming in front. Why Arvind Kejriwal is silent on that? Why is not uttering? Why is running away from the media? We have seen in the media that in Lucknow he ran away. Bibhav Kumar is not answering in spite of the media questioning him in the car. In Amritsar, people have asked